Today we are at the new pond, and you know what? Today's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be catching fish, bringing it back to the pond, and we'll show you how it actually turned out with the pond. And see, you'll know what this pond is at the beginning of the video. Come on. So, this is a bass, a baby bass. Wait, hold on, no, this isn't a baby bass, actually. See, this is striped.
What kind of fish is it?
It's a pike.
Let's see it close. Hold on. Oh, look how pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So let's fill it up with the bucket. I don't know where the bucket is. Caught a baby catfish. I caught a baby catfish.
Yay!
Hey, Mom. Can we keep this guy?
No.
Why not?
He's too small.
No, can we like put in my pond? Why not?
No, honey. He's too big for the pond.
Too big?
Yeah.
He won't eat the koi. I mean the goldfish. Yay! We caught our first baby catfish. And yeah, it's speckled. Let's see us. You want to release it nice and clean. So I can remember.
Bye, fishy.
There he goes. Let's catch some more. Yay! Look at this beautiful patterns. We caught another fish. Wow. Putting it in pond. Wow. Yes, guys. Yes. Guys, so there's fish biting it. So we're just gonna put a tiny piece down there. See what they're gonna do with it. And it's the same thing. Yeah, they're liking it. They're destroying it down there. I just want it to take it. Come. You gotta get the hook in their mouth and take it. I want a big fish too. I want a pretty and big. This thing's massive.
What are you going to do? Reel it in. Reel it in.
It's massive. It's gonna break my pole.
Come on, reel it in.
It's gonna break my pole. It's gonna break my pole.
You got it.
Oh, shit.
Wow.
Oh my! Cool! Look at this big bad boy!
Oh my gosh. Look at
I was
that.
not expecting that. This thing's massive. I wonder how much pounds this is. It almost broke my pole. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, we could probably eat this thing because it's about 12 inches long. So let's eat this thing, man. Hey guys, here's the sun. Oh shoot. Sunfish. Oh. Gotta stop bouncing. Oh, that beautiful pattern. Alright, let's see how he turns. The water's nice and hot. So it's not used to his old pond. And let's see, where is that? The baby pike cichlid. Oh, oh. Man, why are all these fish trying to kill me today? You're getting in there. Bye-bye.
Isn't that all that was in there?
No, I had two.
Oh.
We didn't show you the second one. Oh, shoot. I felt it.
So you just want to dump the whole thing in there?
No. I don't know if I feel it. Maybe a little
There he is. Did you see him?
There he is. Oh, shit. There he is. You're gonna beat yourself, buddy. Alright, cool. He's in. Alright. Today was a total success. I can't wait to see y'all next time. Diesel's Fishing Friends. Hiya!